is rainy and chilly where I am in upstate central New York. Actually, if you can see out my back window, it's not a very nice sight. I hope it's a little nicer wherever you are in the world. Like I said, I just want to wish you a wonderful week, and I would like to challenge you to take one step closer to your goal of better health, whether it is just stretching in the chair that you're in. If you're confined to a chair, just take a big stretch. It might be the most exercise you get today, but it'll feel good. You'll release some toxins. It might just be adding a couple of glasses of water to your day. It might be just cutting out some junk food. Just do one thing I'm challenging you to make you a little bit closer to your goal of health. It's not my job to tell you what to do. That's up to you. But I want you to have a wonderful week. You can hear the pounding rain. Well, I guess you got to take the good with the bad, but there's still a beauty in the rain. Always remember that in life. Have a wonderful week, and always remember that if you need any help with your weight loss journey, all you have to do is hit me up on Facebook, and I'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.